concrete gets here in 3 days. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Lucky Off Grid. So we got the rest of these mess ups to level out before concrete gets here, because I definitely fucked up. Yep, yes I did. Judge or no judge, I did. I don't care. Hey, but I'm fixing it though. Cheers to me. Because if I don't fix this, it's gonna look like a wave of a house. We don't want that wave or a roller coaster. It's going to be all wavy and uneven and unorganized and ugly and feo and the bullshit. Got to repair it. Got to make it look right, guys. So today's plan is simple. 2x4s, level, lots of adjusting, and just a little bit of frustration. Actually, a lot of frustration. Get it over with, guys. So it ain't nothing to it, but to do it. Let's get to work, fellers. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, guys. I think I'm fucking totally over this shit. No, none of my piers are lining up. Nothing is square. Every time I go to re-square it to confirm a square, everything is off, and I'm about to be pissed because I'm constantly moving tubes to make sure they're right. And every time I go to check, none of them are right. Nothing's square. Nothing's good. My bracket is not going to fit perfectly on my concrete tube. And it's like hanging off, and it's so I got to fix this shit. I got to fix it. Concrete's coming in a couple days, so I have to sit here all day fix it, and I can't sit here and record and try to be all nitty gritty and I got to fucking fix it. So I'm gonna try to at least get a good dent in it, and then I'll be back in a second. All right, dudes, it's been about 4 hours or so. We got four out of the 6 rows done. We still got 2 more rows to do. I know it's good. It's like 3:30, 4 o'clock in the day. So we got it knocked out pretty good. We still got 2 more rows, but we're going to stay here until it gets done, because we got until Wednesday to do it, but I can't come out here Monday and Tuesday to do it, and it's going to be raining Monday and Tuesday all day, so I have to finish it today, so that way I can get my tarps covering them up so they don't get washed out. So here, take a look. This time I made sure that from corner to corner was perfectly square. So from corner to corner, it's good. And opposite corners, they're also good. So at least we're getting somewhere now, guys. I do realize that my main mess up in this project is where the very beginning, obviously, right? I did not square it properly And this is what caused all of my stuff to be off. I realize that now. And I know this is our first time kind of doing something this big of a project. So we live and we learn, right? So this is the sacrifice that I got to make, is fixing all this stuff. So yeah, we got about 2 more rows. I think I'm going to take a break for a minute and cool off because it's about 85, almost 90 degrees outside. We had to go to the store to get some water because it's hot as freak. All right, guys, I had to take a break, man. I had to stop here. We got all of them but like 5 holes done, and I'm going to just get here early Wednesday morning, and I'm going to try to just knock those 5 out pretty early. I've got a couple hours before the concrete gets here, so maybe I can get them up and stabled before the concrete gets here. So, as y'all can see, I went ahead, after I got most of the holes done, I went ahead and tarped everything because it's supposed to be raining for the next 2 days. And the next thing I need after all this BS is for the rain to come wash my holes out. I put 2x4s to hold them up, and I got them good and packed and tight, but you know, it's never enough, bro. It's never enough, and at this point, I'm about over it. I got heat exhaustion. I'm tired. I'm sweating, and I had to lay down in the truck for a minute because I thought I was about to pass out. So it's like 90-something degrees out here, and I've been here since 8 o'clock this morning. And it's like 6:30. So, but yeah, we got it all tarped out, and we got most of it done. So, yeah, I'm going to go home and get some nice cool air and feel good, try to feel better for the rest of the day. So if y'all are following me or not following me along at this point, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, and then hopefully we can become friends. But next week, we're getting concrete, guys. So stay tuned. This is Lucky, and we out.